What's up, Leopards? This is how you do the Ostinato melody assignment. So after you click this and watch this video, you're going to click to the next slide, and then you're going to click on the spinning words that say click here to do it. And once you do that, you will be taken to Chrome Music Lab. And it is here that you will use only the top half, okay? That is from this dark line here and above to create something that you like that is one note at a time, okay? So I don't want to see more than one box with a color in it in the same column, okay? So I'm going to just go ahead and create something that I think might sound good, and I want you to just, kind of watch and then plan for when you get a turn to do it after this video. So I'm going to start here. We'll go do. Let's go re, mi, and then we'll go mi, re, do, and then we'll go, I don't know, so, mi, do, so, mi, re. We're doing a pentatonic scale, so there's only 5 notes. The note fa and ti are missing. But anyway, it's not super important for you to know that. But let's go with re, so, re, do. Let's try it. I don't know about this end part, but let's see what it sounds like. I'm cool with that. That's fine with me. So if you'd like, I invite you to share it with me by clicking the save button when you're done, and then click this copy link right here, and you can share it in a message in Schoology, or you can share it in our Schoology discussion, or you can just keep putting your songs down that we've been using all school year. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you enjoy your jam that you make, and I appreciate every time you work hard for me. Thank you.